morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal, Hotel Management Department. Today I am going to discuss about introduction of food and beverage service. If we talk about the food and beverage service introduction, basically, the food and beverage department is responsible to serve the food in guest room. One of the department in hotel which is serve the food and beverage during the guest stay. Means the guest is stay in our hotel, then this department is responsible for basically service the food in guest room and the largest department on board comprising the various areas working together and caters the guest food and beverage need. And if we talk about what is service is basically the quality of a person who can serve the food to the guest, and it is the total experience that a guest gets from the performance of a people serving a need. For example, like as a teachers will teach in the class, it is also a service. For example, if we are serving the food, it is also a type of service. If we are giving a lecture in any class, it is also an example of service. Basically, service touch all the sense of the guest, sense of the sight, sense of the smell, sense of the hearing, sense of the taste, and sense of the touch. We can never touch the service, but only we can feel the service. Example, so we cannot touch the service because service is basically we cannot able to see it from our eyes. And F&B in accommodation, basically in five-star hotels. If we talk about the coffee shop is basically responsible for serving the food and beverage to the guest, and it is work for 24 hours and famous for its fastest service. And fine dining restaurant is basically serve the food in the guest table through a la carte menu. Specialty restaurant. Specialty restaurant means related to the theme, any theme restaurant, like as birthday theme restaurant. And if we talk about the bar is the area which is responsible for serving the food, serving the beverage or alcoholic and non-alcoholic to the guest. And if we talk about the lounge is the basically waiting area where the guest can sit and wait for his room check-in. And banquet, if we talk about the banquet is responsible for basically the marriage functions. And outside catering is the catering in which we can give it outside from the hotel, and we organize a party or a marriage function. And 24-hour full room service menu, executive lounge and room, guest amenities and mini bar, pool, cafe and employee dining, everything should be given in the five-star hotels, or these all services are given in the five-star hotel. And if we talk about the four-star hotels, these services are also in four-star hotels. Basically, they are having a coffee shop, specialty restaurant, bar and lounge, guest amenities, conference and banqueting, mini bar and employee dining. And if we talk about the budget hotel breakfast buffet, the budget hotels basically arrange the breakfast buffet at the morning time, and guest can sit and taken his food from herself. And bar also there, and vending machines are also provides in the budgeted hotels and employee dining. And bed and breakfast, these are the basically very cheaper types of accommodations, and breakfast and limited menu and a set time on a request, and limited number of facilities are given to the guest. And hostels, snacks bar and vending, all these are facilities are available in the hostels. If we talk about the sectors of F&B industry, in the sectors there include hotels. Hotels mean hotels is a place where bona fide traveler can get food and shelter provide. If he or she is drink or disorder, he should be outside from the hotel. And the next is restaurant. If we talk about the restaurant is basically responsible for serving the food and beverage to the guest, and chair tables are there, guest can sit and place his order with the help of menu. And there is the example of ethnic restaurant and coffee shop which is work for 24 hour. Specialty restaurant which are follow the themes. And banquet is responsible for marriage functions. Cafeterias are specially and given the fixed menu. And snacks bar basically serve the tea and snacks. And bistros are also a type of F&B outlets. And discotheque which is responsible for live musics, and guests can do the dancing over there. And nightclub which is open in the night and live band working there. And pub which is open in the mostly nights. And bar is responsible for serving the alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverage to the guest. If we talk about the family style, these are the types of restaurant where the families can sit and eat in their meal. And if we talk about the destination restaurant, these are the restaurants which are situated like as hill stations, and which are specially for any destination hub. And if we talk about the cafes are also part of F&B industries, and in which basically prepared or managed by the coffee service. And casual restaurant which are not follow any rule regulations, they are serving to the guest. And coffee house where the coffees are served to the guests. So thank you to all of you. If you have any doubt, please text me at dis@rpiit.com, and please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. So thank you to all of you.